is asking us, he's new to kilts, and he just got his first one. Is there any tradition or protocol he can use to help him decide on a particular kilt pin?
No, kilt pin, just think of it as bling bling for your kilt. I mean, there's not a lot of, outside of buying a clan crest related one, there's not a lot of protocol outside of positioning, and there's not even really a firm, it must be exactly this. There's kind of a region. But yeah, you just pick one that is, it speaks to you. A traditional kilt pin, which you don't really see much today, would be like a grouse foot, an actual foot of a grouse that they would put on a pin and affix to the kilt. For the most part, most of them are sword shaped, and it goes about 6 inches or 8 inches up from the bottom of the kilt and about 2 inches in a straight line. Just follow one of the lines down the tartan.
Yeah, it's definitely a personalization kind of a thing, and occasionally someone will ask if it's okay for them to use something which is technically not a kilt pin as a kilt pin. That's fine. It's a question of like we always say, the context. There are some kilt pins which might look nicer for a more day occasion, and there might be something a little fancier, a little more blingy that you want to use for a special occasion, an evening occasion, date night, that kind of thing. I've used various things for kilt pins over the years just for the heck of it. Like if I was going to a science fiction convention or something, I have a Klingon insignia, which is actually a jacket pin. I know, I'm a nerd. I've used that as a kilt pin, and it's great as a conversation starter, and it's fun. It's a good weight for a kilt pin, actually, but that particular piece. But you can use alternative things, but yeah, the linear shape of the classic pin is the way to go. And I'd stick with a silver tone color. Most guys don't wear a lot of gold jewelry or gold accents with kilts. It's usually pewters and silvers.
The buckles on the kilt.
Yeah, and the buckle. That's one of the main reasons. Yeah.
Yep.